Argentina don't give us sweet football again this night.
Yeah,
But
congratulations to
we will now calm
England,
down,
sha.
analyze the match. We will now calm down, analyze the match. Ah, first of all, waiting the England plan as they come this match. They won't come, they do body to body. They do high intensity match against Argentina.
Now Argentina come dey bully England, sha.
You know,
Any small tackle, now just dey foul
you
England.
know if you come high intensity against Argentina.
Just dey foul them.
Argentina na them South American teams, na them they sabi like do body to body match for South America.
Yeah.
What I be expect from England now? Come, me will play this ball.
Just
if you want jam me, but me will play you the ball. Now Argentina first 15 minutes, I like as England take press them. They no agree Argentina play out from their half. They no agree them. But after the first 15 minutes, Argentina chop the midfield. They come they press England. So okay now, you will be Hurricane, you they leave your striker spot, come midfield. What they come do? And after say they try drop the way you come pick ball. If not be your two fast wingers, we even connect, score goal. Now okay, you don't score that goal now. What you supposed to do? Press for more goals. You decided to defend. Why you did defend? Time still long. This is Argentina. They know they give up.
England really fuck up for this match because they for just come out, may we just play the game. But this one they come they fall deep. Like even when they come they win 1-0 self, they come fall deep, and as they fall deep like that, they don't say England Argentina go just the president, and as they president like that, go fit come. Now just waiting England coach really fuck up sharp for those changes when they come they play defense. Like their tactics for that after they score that goal na rubbish because their tactics wetin dey for just change that time be say make dem no play defensive game, make we just continue dey play the game, make we know whether more goals go fit come. But this one they just go relax back for back when they know say Argentina go just dey press them, and na wetin Argentina do against Cape Verde with Egypt.
Now they still come do am here.
Switzerland when they know say Argentina no go just relax.
And Argentina, if they score you one goal, they no go defend. They will keep coming for more goals.
They will continue to come. Make they know whether they go feel.
The only thing where
just say England fuck up with their tactics.
The only thing where England coach do when they start this game be they try to mark Messi out and they work perfectly well. In the other hand, Argentina try to mark Bellingham out and work perfectly well. But immediately England scored that goal. They destroy their tactics. They remove Rice with their body for Messi and put defenders. Why they put more?
No,
you won't play 5-man defense. Instead you go to press. Now when Argentina don't equalize, score you the second goal. Another time you can they put attackers. So this thing like now England coach totally spoiled this game. But in the other hand, Scaloni, you be man. Your substitution have been very, very perfect in this World Cup. You never make any wrong substitution. Like when Argentina conceded that 1-0. In bringing Lautaro Martinez, in come out Paredes, put Nico Gonzalez. He risked the midfield. He want press. He want just the press. He want like, and still in tactics work out. Yeah. Because now the kind Lautaro Martinez way bringing now waiting they cross the ball to England.
Why England can't they just play defense?
Okay, all the total defenders we input now, where England put, what thing they do? They still did the defense, the cross ball. Argentina still score. Scaloni, your tactical awareness is very, very good. You're the best coach in this World Cup. Like whenever the team they lose, in the goals find who you go put.
Yeah.
We go change games.
Very good.
In the other hand, Tuchel, you supposed to go. You go. You don't try at all. But in the other hand,
they go, sure.
Lionel Messi.
Congratulations to Argentina.
Messi.
Watch out how
2 assists from the goal.
Go just there for the final.
2 assists from the goal.
Watch how it go be.
Congratulations to Argentina in advancing to the final. But we watch out as the final go be.